So this was the short cinematic demo that I generated using the Minimax AI, and you can see how good this actually is. If we talk about the motions, if we talk about the realism, each and everything looks perfect. Yes, I have already covered a detailed video on the Minimax AI, but now they have introduced the image to video feature, and in this video I'm also gonna guide you through the process of getting the best cinematic videos out of the Minimax. So without any further ado, let's dive in. So for the beginners who don't know much about the Minimax AI, so this is the project of Halo AI, and first of all you need to go to the haloai.com. You will find the link in the description below, and then you have to click on the coach video, and now you can see we have this interface in front of us. So here we have the text to video and image to video options, and if I scroll down a bit, you can see these are some of the cinematic videos generated by the community, and these are some of the short movie clips. So if you want to get inspiration from here, you also have that option. Now let's have a look on some of my generation. So these are some of the videos that you have saw in the beginning of this video, and you can notice a cinematic look and the cinematic color grading in every single scene, and this is easily achievable with the basic prompt formula. So the formula is to define the main subject, then define the action what that person or that subject is performing in the video, and then you need to describe the camera motion, and in the last part we will describe the color tones and cinematography of the video. So here's an example of that formula. An Asian woman looking shocked and suddenly look back, expressive face, camera move left, cinematic movie, muted. So if I break down this prompt, an Asian woman, this is our main subject, then looking shocked and suddenly look back, this is the action that we want our main subject to perform, and then you can see we have the expressions, and in the very next part you can see I defined the camera motion, camera move left, and in the last section we describe the color tones, cinematic movie, muted colors. And if you want to add some more details in it, you can go for it like unsaturated or cool warm color tones, whatever you want to add, and let's hit create. Alright, so this is the output video, and look at that. Look at the expressions, look at the color grading. So we have mentioned the cool and the warm tone, so we try to edit that cool and warm color combination in this one, and the overall video looks very good. So as I mentioned, the Asian woman, so it tried to create the Indian or the Pakistani woman, and this lady looks very similar to one of the Pakistani actress, Sabur Ali. Now let's try something difficult. A woman picked up a landline phone and then shocked, expressive face, camera pan up, cinematic movie, cool color grading. So this one is going to be a complicated action. Let's see how the AI handles this. Alright, so this is the output video, and now you can see the camera shot starts from the phone, and then this woman picked up that phone, and now you can see some kind of a shocking reaction on her face. And I personally believe that the Minimax text to video model is better than the any other AI video generation model. You can try the Kling AI, you can try the other AI tools, but this is the best model, I would say. So this time I'll try to generate some weird creatures, and let's see how does it perform with this one. So the prompt is a close-up of an evil made of only muscles with no skin, scary, cinematic movie, desaturated and muted colors, apocalyptic movie scene. And let's see how does it perform with this one. Alright, so this is the output video, and if we look at this monster closely, it followed the prompt very accurately. This evil is made up of muscles, there is no skin, and just notice when this evil is talking, this monster is talking, you can see the stretch and the movement of his muscles, you can see the movement of the eye muscles, you can see there is some kind of a movement on the brain. So the AI understands what to create and how to maintain that. Now here is a one more video where you can see this humanoid creature made up of roots, and it followed the prompt very accurately. So this is not just limited with the human characters, it also performs very well with the fictional characters, or you can generate any aliens or whatever thing you want to create. It performs really well. And here is the side-by-side comparison with the Minimax. So the video on the left is from the Minimax, and the video on right is from the Kling AI, and you can clearly see the difference. And here's the second output. You can also notice that the Minimax AI performed really well. So initially when I covered this tool, this was only limited to the text to video, but now they have introduced the image to video, and we're going to test that out. So click on the image to video, and now I'm going to use this selfie image of this woman, and let's type a prompt like a woman smiling and recording a selfie video for Instagram, and let's see what it comes up with. Well, you can also generate the video without entering any prompt. Alright, so this is the output video, and you can notice how real the facial expressions are. We don't have any morphing, we don't have any issue with the teeth or with the lips, because we always notice some kind of imperfections near the lips and teeth, but in this one it performed really well. And let's try a prompt, a woman looking shocked and can't believe on something. Alright, so this is the output video, and her facial expressions are really good. And the one more thing that you will notice in this video is that the face consistency and the character consistency, and this is the thing that most of the AI video generators lacks. And to be honest, in the image to video, most of the image generators doesn't perform really well, but in this case this is performing very good. And if we talk about the text to video option, this is my favorite option because the Minimax AI's text to video model performs better than the image to video model in my opinion. And if we compare this with the Kling AI, Luma AI, or the Runway ML, I would say the cinematic videos of the Minimax AI performs better than the any other AI video generator. And these are some of the examples that you are watching on the screen, and look at that, all of them looks very good. So if we talk about their pricing options, it starts from the $10 a month and it goes all the way to the $100. It depends on your usability and the tasks, but if you want to use this for free, it gives you the free credits on a daily basis, so you can try this for free without even paying for anything. So the link will be in the description below, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, do give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.